let me tell you, it is that time of year where we are starting to wrap. And I was just about ready to wrap this gift, and I wanted to let you see what we are gifted. Now, this is our third book with this company. We bought the other two for our daughter because, well, both daughters, they are drawers like all get out. Now, first I wanted to show you, it comes with this wrapping around there, which normally wouldn't seem very important, but I wanted to show you some don't, and the edges get marred and get dirty before it even gets to you. So I like the fact that it comes wrapped. But the actual pages, she loves doing. Now, it is all in a ringed binder, which is so nice. So she can rip it out. They're perforated at the top, so if you wanted to rip a straight, nice design to give grandma and grandpa or something like that, it goes nice. It flips over, so she's able to take it with her and sketch like this. But the part that I like the most is she's typically doing it with pencil, which works out fantastically. But every once in a while, she switches over to the paint pens, and she's able to use the same book because it's not going to go over onto the next page, which we absolutely love because marker pens are a pain in this house sometimes if you're not using the right paper. Because sometimes she rips it out, lays it on her desk, and will draw on it, and depending on the paper that she's using, it seeps through and goes all over the desk, and we don't like that. So this one is amazing. So if you're looking for a great sketchbook, a nice large enough one to gift to someone that you love to draw, this is the one I would choose.